have a 1968 Chevy C10, and we are going to go for a ride in it. GM introduced the K and C series in 1960. This 68 is a second generation. Second generation was 67 to 1972. Now, what did the K and C mean? It wasn't just for model branding. It was also used as an internal code. C meaning two-wheel drive and K, four-wheel drive. So the second generation was designated as the action line by GM. And why they did that? Well, they wanted it to become more of a multi-purpose vehicle, not just utilitarian, but also a few creature comforts. And how did they do that? Well, they added AM/FM radio, carpet, two-tone paint, and automatic transmission. Now let's talk about this custom C10. This is a small block Chevy V8 with Holley 4-barrel carburetors, a nice Grant aftermarket steering wheel, and aluminum fuel cell in the bed of the truck. So let's go ahead and start driving. Let's do this. A little cold start for you. Da, 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 da. Naturally. And let's see how we go. That's nice. All right, let's get the garage door. This is so nice. I really needed a sweet respite of going on a car drive. Look at these nice seat belts. Got that. hope you enjoyed this quick South Texas drive and the 1968 Chevy C10, custom Chevy C10. See you next week. Bye.